Hello everyone, this is Arya Chandra from KP Architecture Classes. This video is a brief introduction as to what is BARC, what is architecture, uh, what are the things you might require to become an architect or what it takes to become an architect in India, and then also focused on to what are the entrance exams in India to get admitted into Bachelor of Architecture, and a brief on how we at KP Architecture Classes help students prepare for these entrance exams for the Bachelor of Architecture BARC entrance tests. So let me first start by discussing what is BARC or what is architecture. So, as I hope everyone has a brief idea, architects are mainly focused on to designing of buildings, but not limited to it. Obviously, there are architecture in itself is a varied subject, and there are lots of specializations available under architecture itself, where you can get focused on to landscape architecture or interior design, or say even towards planning, urban planning, that is at city level. And also you can get specialized in construction management, or you can also get specialized in design and design. So there are lots of specializations with and there's a lot of future scope once you're done with BARC. It is not limited to only designing buildings. That is something which you have to have in your mind before you want to decide whether you want to pursue this course or not. So that said, BARC is a 5-year degree. It's a full-time course. You don't have part-time courses in architecture. BARC is a 5-time full-year course, 5-year full-time course, which only if it is a 5-year course, it is recognized by COA, that is Council of Architecture, which is the governing body which actually gives registration numbers. That is, it registers architects in India. Only registered architects can use the title of architect. Only he or she who is registered with Council of Architecture can give approval to buildings as an architect. So that is a brief on what is BARC. Now, coming to a brief on colleges, there are lots of state and central government colleges which offer this degree of Bachelor of Architecture, which is a 5-year course, including IITs and NITs. And I hope you all know about SPAs. Obviously, SPAs are the premier institutes, central government institutes for this course of BARC and B Plan, Bachelor of Architecture and Planning. Now, coming to a brief on who can become an architect, anyone with science from science stream will come to those eligible criteria in entrance exams. But firstly, let me tell you what it takes to become an architect. So, both to clear the entrance exam for architecture, that is for BARC, and also to complete this 5-year course of architecture, one should possess good logical and problem solving skills, and also should have rational and artistic background. So it is preferably this course is preferably for someone who is good, not an artist obviously, but it is good to have some artistic background to complete this course, because it is focused on to design, and obviously interest in buildings, interesting in design of buildings would be a huge advantage if you want to pursue this course of architect. So I would say anyone who is you may not require a very strong uh, uh, knowledge on the concepts of maths, physics, and chemistry, like what it requires for clearing JEE mains for BTech exam, right? So it you essentially need to be very good in logical reasoning, have to have rational skills, and would be an advantage if you have artistic skills too. Uh, Not necessarily an artist, as again I'm trying to focus on that point, that you may not be an architect, you may not be an artist, you may not require good sketching skills also. It would be an advantage if you have that, but you should at least have an understanding of the artistic skills. What is a good design, what are the principles of design? That would be a huge advantage if you have those have knowledge on those areas, and also have interest in those areas more importantly. And as I already mentioned, interest in buildings and design of buildings would be a huge advantage if you are planning to become an architect. So that said, let us now focus on to the important area Once you decide if you want to become an architect or want to pursue Bachelor of Architecture in India, what are the entrance exams available? So there are two main entrance exams for entrance into BArch in colleges after your +2. That is NATA and JEE paper 2. And the JEE means you have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So for BArch, you need to clear paper 2. So NATA and JEE paper 2 are the two major exams which are conducted in India for entrance into Bachelor of Architecture. Now, this exam, National Aptitude Test for Architecture NATA, is conducted twice every year, and this is conducted by Council of Architecture, that is COA. And JEE paper 2, on the other hand, is also conducted 2 times in a year, 2 times. So this exam, NATA is conducted in the months of April and June generally. JEE, on the other hand, is generally conducted in the months of February and May, 2 times in a year. So this again is constituted by NTA, National Testing Agency. So both these exams are similar in sense that they focus or they try to test a student on similar areas. So these exams, now I'm not going into the final details of the marks and duration. Now duration of the exam is same. NATA is an exam for 3 hours. JEE is also conducted for 3 hours. Coming to marks or number of questions, that is different. NATA has 125 questions for 200 marks total. JEE, on the other hand, has 82 questions and has a total weightage of 400 marks. It is an exam for 400 marks. Now, coming to the syllabus, what are the topics covered in these exams? Now, in NATA, you have, in both the exam, NATA and JEE, broadly you can categorize the syllabus into 3 areas. First, mathematics. Now, the criteria, as I already briefly told you, you have to be from science background and should have a minimum of 50% in physics, maths, and chemistry. So you have to have these 3 courses in your science. So you have to be from science stream with minimum of 50% in your physics, chemistry, and math. So that's the eligible criteria for both NATA and also JEE paper 2. Coming to the exam itself, both NATA and JEE test a student in 3 broad areas. Number 1 is mathematics. It does not have a huge weightage, but it is tested in both in the NATA and also in JEE. Number 2 would be architecture aptitude or simply aptitude. Now this is the area which has the highest weightage both in NATA and JEE. This is the most important area, which is important because it has higher weightage. For example, in JEE, mathematics is for 100 marks, whereas aptitude is for 200 marks. Now in NATA, there's no well-defined weightage for each and every subject, but these are the 3 subjects. The third one being drawing skills, drawing and sketching skills. But this portion, drawing and sketching skills in NATA, is nowadays being tested indirectly. And what is that? I'll come to that in a while. What is indirectly? I'll come to that in a while. But firstly, out of the syllabus, you mainly have mathematics, aptitude, and drawing and sketching. Now, a bit onto what is aptitude. Architecture aptitude covers again varied subjects, including basics of architecture, basic understanding of buildings, basic understanding of important buildings in India and across the world, some important architects and their works. So you have to have basic knowledge of all these aspects. And also the one of the major thing which is tested under architecture aptitude is visualization of objects. One has to be very good in visualizing 3-dimensional objects and 2-dimensional objects. इसका मतलब if अगर आपको एक 3-dimensional image दिया गया है, उसको सामने से देखोगे तो कैसे दिखेगा, ऊपर से देखोगे तो कैसे दिखेगा, top view कैसा रहेगा, what would be the side elevation of it, right? So these are the aspects which are tested and has a very good weightage in both JEE paper 2 and also in the exam NATA. So architecture aptitude is something where you have to have a good understanding of the basic skills which require for you to become an architect, right? Coming to drawing and sketching skills, in JEE paper 2, there are 100 marks for this part. That is, आपका पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 दैट इज मैथमेटिक्स और एप्टीट्यूड ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा। मैं जेई की बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। जेई एग्जाम, जेई पेपर 2 में मैथमेटिक्स और एप्टीट्यूड ऑनलाइन एग्जाम होगा, जहाँ पे कंप्यूटर में यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शंस व्हिच आर करेक्ट। एबीसीडी ऑप्शन होगा, सही जवाब आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। कमिंग टू ड्राइंग एंड स्केचिंग, यू विल हैव 2 क्वेश्चंस टुवर्ड्स द एंड, जहाँ पे आपको पेपर पे स्केच करना पड़ेगा। कुछ सिचुएशन दिया रहेगा, आपको स्केच करना पड़ेगा, या कुछ एलिमेंट्स दिए रहेंगे डिजाइन के, उसको कंपोज करना पड़ेगा। सो आइडिया बिहाइंड कंपोजिंग is basically to test your design skills और artistic skills कि आप composition कितना अच्छा बनाओगे। So इसके लिए कुछ basic things होते हैं, principles of design होते हैं, color understanding होना चाहिए। So these are skills which require which are essential to be developed right before the exam। So ये test होते हैं exam में। So drawing and sketching skills के लिए 100 marks जेईई में आपको sketching के लिए मिलेगा। You have to sketch on the paper। Coming to नाटा, नाटा लास्ट ईयर से completely ऑनलाइन बेस्ड एग्जाम हो गया है। So there is no more sketching in the exam, but फिर भी स्केचिंग स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज स्केचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपका टेस्ट होंगे। जैसे स्केच करते टाइम देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड एज पर्सपेक्टिव, 1 पॉइंट, 2 पॉइंट, 3 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव। अब जेई में स्केच करते हुए वो पर्सपेक्टिव यूज करना पड़ेगा आपको, बट नाटा में यू विल हैव क्वेश्चंस or there are preferential choice questions, there are multiple select questions। ये बहुत सारे टाइप्स के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं नाटा में। उसमें आपको ये डिजाइन स्किल्स या ड्राइंग स्किल टेस्ट करेंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल एक इमेज दिया रहेगा एंड दे विल आस्क यू इसमें कौन सा पर्सपेक्टिव है। आपको पता होना चाहिए पर्सपेक्टिव होता क्या है एंड कितने टाइप के पर्सपेक्टिव है। सो यू मे नॉट बी हैविंग ड्राइंग और स्केचिंग इन द एग्जाम, but sketching skills will still be tested in the exam NATA में। So these are the 3 broad areas जो दोनों एग्जाम्स के लिए important है। Now coming to अगर similar syllabus है तो अलग क्या है दोनों में। Basically the difference is on 2 aspects। नाटा में फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं, जेई पेपर 2 में there are no questions from physics, बहुत कम वेटेज के, बट नाटा में आ सकते हैं, एटलीस्ट 3-4 क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। एंड सेकेंडली द डिफरेंस इज इन द लेवल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। मैथमेटिक्स जेई पेपर 2 में जनरली थोड़ा हायर लेवल का हो सकता है, नाटा में इजियर लेवल का, बिकॉज नाटा में मैथमेटिक्स जो है दैट इज मोर फोकस्ड ऑन टू सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट्स लाइक ज्योमेट्री, बेसिक ज्योमेट्री एंड सेट्स। सो कुछ ही एरियाज पे फोकस्ड होता है नाटा का मैथमेटिक्स, फिर जेई का मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा ज्यादा एलॉबरेट है सिलेबस में। सो दैट इज द सेकंड डिफरेंस। नाउ coming to how we help you prepare for this exam at KP Architecture Classes. KP Architecture Classes has designed the course, the complete course for both NATA and JEE। So आप सिर्फ नाटा की प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ, या आप दोनों नाटा एंड जेई पेपर 2 के एक साथ कोचिंग कर सकते हैं, प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं। Now we have designed a course to suit to the updated syllabus। नाटा के as I told you लास्ट ईयर से स्केचिंग नहीं आ रहा है, बट फिर भी आपको स्केचिंग स्किल्स चाहिए। उन स्केचिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करते हैं क्वेश्चन पे, हमारा मेन फोकस उस पे रहता है केपी आर्किटेक्चर क्लासेस में, वेयर वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस शीट्स। हमारे क्लासेस भी उस तरीके से फोकस्ड होंगे कि आपको पूरी प्रैक्टिस मिले। ये प्रेफरेंशियल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चन जो नया टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चन जो नया टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं नाटा में लास्ट ईयर से, इन पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पे एम्फोसिस के साथ हम एडिशनल प्रैक्टिस शीट्स, एडिशनल टेस्ट सीरीज ये सब प्रोवाइड करते हैं। तो आप सिर्फ कोचिंग, यू कैन हैव योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, कोचिंग क्लासेस, or you can also take a test series and also study material। Now जो हमारे साथ कोचिंग करते हैं, let me briefly tell you कि हमारे कोचिंग में क्या चीजें हम कैसे प्रिपेयर कराते हैं। We have classes for probably around 3 hours over the weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday। So आपका जो भी वीकडेज में बाकी स्कूल वगैरह चल रहा है उसके साथ आप इस क्लासेस को अटेंड कर सकते हैं। इन क्लासेस को सैटरडे संडे के कन्वीनियंट टाइम पे, इट वुड बी जनरली शेड्यूल्ड इन द इवनिंग टाइम्स, प्रोबेबली 2 to 5 इस टाइम में जनरली शेड्यूल होता है। सो यू कैन इजीली अटेंड द लाइव क्लासेस। ये ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेस होंगे, इट इज नॉट अ रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो जहाँ पे टीचर कुछ पढ़ा दिया और चला गया। इट विल बी अ लाइव क्लास वेयर यू कैन टॉक टू द टीचर, चैट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल होगा, बात कर सकते हैं, डाउट्स पूछ सकते हैं। सो इट विल बी लाइव इंटरैक्टिव ऑनलाइन क्लास विद एडिशनल प्रैक्टिस शीट्स। हर क्लास के बाद आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए प्रैक्टिस शीट्स मिलेंगे, आपको टेस्ट सीरीज मिलेगा, मॉक टेस्ट जो एग्जैक्टली एग्जाम में कैसा इंटरफेस होगा वैसा इंटरफेस में प्रैक्टिस मिलेगा आपको मॉक टेस्ट के साथ। एंड ऑल्सो यू विल हैव स्टडी मटेरियल, जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लास में कवर कर रहे हैं उसको एडिशनल स्टडी करने के लिए ऑनलाइन में पूरा स्टडी मटेरियल मिलेगा, जहाँ से आप खुद पढ़ भी सकते हैं एंड टीचर्स विल गाइड यू हाउ टू यूज दो सोर्सेस। कब कौन सा एग्जाम लिखना है, कब कौन सा मॉक टेस्ट देना है, कब कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ना है स्टडी मटेरियल से। इट वुड बी completely guided course where uh, a very good focus would be on each and every student. हमारे टीचर्स हर स्टेप पे आपको हेल्प करेंगे, मैथमेटिक्स, एप्टीट्यूड, ड्राइंग, सारे टॉपिक्स, सारे 100% ऑफ द सिलेबस कवर करेंगे। So that is about how we are going about this particular coaching program for NATA and JEE. For further details, you can always contact us at KP Architecture Classes. Details आपका contact के description इस video के मिलेगा। So you can have the contact number given below and you can contact us for any further details. Thank you.